Hello everyone, I am also creating this video because of my previous one. I've got so many messages because those application and source code not work properly. When they got run this application, they had more error in compiling. So now I'm going to tell what's the problem. So when you get download this project from SH Recovery or SketchUp or from HWB Restore project, this case it don't install the library from CODEWARE. So make sure you have this application already mentioned in previous video. Please install this application CODEWARE, and you can find the previous three application source code or project link. You can find it on the store of the CODEWARE. It's loaded now. Yeah, you can see it's a MX player. You can see you can download it from there easily. After that, you can also find music player and other applications. Is the files application that I have provided, and you can find many things of there from there. And also you can also in this section you can also find this library. You can add it on your project. So the guys, thank you for watching, and please don't get angry because I don't know what to tell, because SketchUp and these applications has their own uh, structure to develop that type. So I think that's why those not working that way. So I provided CODEWARE link in description. Go there and download this CODEWARE application, and you can find all project sketch your original project from it. So please download it from there and stay happy.